trail of spices. We're gonna make Shahi Tukda with my brother and sister.
Let's get started. Condensed milk and sugar and milk. Bread, oil, and nuts.
We need saffron and cardamom.
Firstly, cut the sides of bread and cut them into triangle shape. In a pan, add oil and 2 spoons of ghee. Fry the bread both sides until they turn golden brown. To make rabdi, add 1.5 liter of milk in a pan. Add condensed milk and stir occasionally to get a boiling consistency. Reduce the flame to medium. And once a layer of cream is formed over the milk, stick it to the sides of pan and repeat the gathering cream to sides of pan. Repeat the process for at least 5 times till the milk is reduced to 1/3. Add cardamom powder and saffron to the milk. Add chopped dry nuts. Scrape off the collected cream from sides and give it a good stir. Transfer to a bowl and let it attain room temperature. In a plate, place the fried bread slices. Pour half a cup of prepared rabdi. Finally, garnish with few chopped nuts and serve your Shahi Tukda.
So good.
One more time. Start.